We're living through some strange times right now. The hours and days start to blur, routines begin breaking down, and there is a lot of togetherness. When we founded Lovevery, my co-founder Rod Morris and I believed, and believe even more firmly now, that young children and their parents do best when they feel supported. But how can we truly be there for our kids, manage our workload, and take care of ourselves at the same time, especially when we're all piled on top of one another and stretched in so many directions right now? Know that you are not in this alone. My New Life is a podcast for parents in search of community and deeper insights into how our babies are developing. The first season is aimed at moms and dads of infants. I've interviewed experts in child development and neuroscience, as well as inspiring moms with real-life struggles. My goal is to give you information that you can put into action, so you can spend the time that you do have in a really meaningful way. Look for fresh episodes to drop every other Wednesday. Thank you for being here. Together, we will make the most of this new life.